Good morning, my super smart babies. So, how are you all? Doing good? Yes? Okay, tell me, are you ready for today's class? Yes? So, then show me your thumbs up. Okay, so babies, let's begin today's date with the date. And today's date is 8th January 2021. 8th January 2021. Okay, and day is Friday. Day is Friday, and we were doing vegetables. What are we doing? Vegetables. So have you learned the spellings? Yes. So let's revise them one more time with me. Okay. So which vegetable is this? Peas. See the spelling? P-E-A-S, peas. This is beans. See the spelling? B-E-A-N-S, beans. Onion. Very simple spelling, only we have to add I in between on and on. Okay. So, O-N-E, on, onion. Tomato. Make the spelling. To, met, met, o, tomato, T-O, tomato. Okay. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Now, potato. P-O-P, T-A-T-O, potato. Potato. P-O-P, T-A-T-O, potato. Brinjal. Brinjal, brinjal. Carrot. K-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Lady finger. L-A-D-L-E-Y, lady finger. F-I-N, fin, G-R, finger, lady finger. Spinach. Spin ki spelling? Sp-I-N, spin, H-A-C-H, spinach. Okay. So, these are the spellings. And promise me you will eat lot of vegetables. Yes. Okay. Now, babies. So, this work you have to do in your EVS notebook one more time. Okay. And from your book, The Little Explorer, book B, you will open page number 102. Okay. Let's read what is written here. Fruits have seeds. Some have one seed and some have many seeds. Okay. Some have only one seed and some have many seeds. Okay. Let's see what are those fruits. This is a mango. And how many seeds a mango has? Mango has only one seed. Yes. And this is plum. And plum also has only one seed. Cherry. Do you like to eat cherry? Cherry has how many seeds? Only one seed. But papaya, watermelon and guava, they have got many seeds. Look at them. Can you see? These black things are seeds. There are so many. Yes. And even in watermelon you can see black seeds. So many black seeds. Yes. And in guava also you can see many seeds. So they are these fruits have only one seed and these fruits have many seeds. Okay. Now can you see this page? This is page number 103. Okay. Vegetables are cooked but some can be eaten raw. Some can be eaten raw. Raw means kacha. हम कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. We need not to cook them. There are some vegetables. Okay. Like carrot we can have without cooking. Okay, we can eat it raw. And even coriander, yes. Tomato also we can cut and we can have it like this only, raw only. And cucumber, yes, we eat salad of cucumber. And this is beetroot. This is a very good vegetable. It enhances our hemoglobin. Okay, this is fenugreek. This also we can eat raw, leafy vegetable. But there are some vegetables that we cannot eat raw, like potato. We have to cook it, we have to fry it. Okay, pumpkin also we have to cook. And this is Amarnath. This is a leafy vegetable, but we have to cook it. This is cauliflower and this is a corn plant. Okay, so all these vegetables we have to cook first and then only we can eat. Now let's see if you know which vegetable has only one, which fruit has only one seed and which has many seeds. Okay, so read the instruction first. Look at the pictures. Circle the fruits that have one seed and tick the ones that have many seeds. So we have to circle those fruits which has only one seed and we have to tick those fruits which have many seeds. Now tell me if cherry has many seeds? No, so we have to circle it. Okay, so cherry has only one seed. Okay, and even plum also has only one seed, so circle it. But papaya has many seeds, so you have to tick this. And watermelon also has many seeds, so tick this one. Guava also has many seeds, and papaya also has, this is mango, sorry, mango also has only one seed, so tick this one. Okay, this way you are going to do this. Now come to the page 105. Look, read the instruction. Look at the pictures. Circle the vegetables that have to be cooked and tick that have to be cooked. So we have to circle the vegetables that have to be cooked and we have to tick the ones that can be eaten raw. Okay, so we have to tick those vegetables that are to be eaten raw. So can you eat a pumpkin without cooking? No, we have to cook it. So we have to circle it. Okay, potato also we have to fry, we have to boil it. Yes, so without cooking we can't eat it. But carrot we can eat raw. So take this vegetable. Even coriander also we can eat raw. Beetroot also we can eat raw. But corns we have to cook. Okay, so circle it. Tomato also we can eat raw. Cauliflower, can you eat cauliflower raw? No, so circle it. Cucumber we can eat raw, so stick it. And this is Amarnath, so we cannot eat it raw, we have to cook it first. Okay, so circle it. So babies, this work also you have to do in your Little Explorer book B. Okay, 2 pages you are going to do at home. Okay, so babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.